Hi, my name is Yuri, and API Security Mediator is my new app. This app is to enforce authorization rules based in XDATA to API endpoints. And using XDATA to do this, you have more easily setting the authorization rules. So you see this now. You click download, and you need to get the application using git clone for this URL. So when you get the app, you open this app inside VSCode and do Docker compose app build. You will build a new container instance with my app. And now with the app built, we can run and get the results. While building, I will show to you the source code. So we have a class, Security Mediator, inherits from CSP REST, and I implement access check, and the access check has the logic to restrict authorization based in XDATA rules. These rules. So when you in your REST app, person REST, for example, you declare your methods and endpoints normally using URL map. So now with my app, it's possible to declare to security header to enforce, to request pass headers like organization equals InterSystems, or you restrict access based in user roles. So you write security.end roles, and the roles inside brackets, person admin example. So when you call get all persons to endpoint persons all, and I will do this. See, persons all, passing systems and the password. You get no access because this user system don't has the whole person admin. Get all persons requires person admin role. Okay, so when you call, you have a error because this. Now I can give this role to the user. When I go to security, security, roles, create new role. The role name is person admin. Person admin, save. Members, I will include system. System now is person admin. And now when I call person all, I will get the success in my requests. So if I want to test with data, can I call populated? Now all will return with data. Okay, my app restricted the access to a person admin role. Only users with person admin role will get success in calling this endpoint. Now, can you call CRUD endpoint only? Send. And I have an error because in this case, CRUD, we have the following rule. Okay. This endpoint call getInfo. CRUD only, getInfo, and getInfo has this security rule. You need to have organization equals InterSystems to get success in getInfo call. So in the header, I will put organization InterSystems and call. And now I have a success. So with my app, you can restrict the authorization to access different endpoints in the REST API based in header or user roles. And in the future, more types of roles will be implemented. I want to implement roles based into IP, date time of the requests, request parents, regex expressions, or custom class methods evaluations. So in the future we have more and more types of rules for authorization. Okay? Thanks to you and enjoy my new app.